Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting in Zoom Workplace step by step. First, open the Zoom Workplace app on your computer and sign in to your Zoom account. On the home page, click the Schedule button. A new meeting window will appear. In the topic field, enter a meeting name, for example, Zoom Tutorial Meeting. Next, select the meeting date and time. Choose the date you want and set the starting time. Then select the meeting duration, such as 30 minutes or 1 hour. Make sure the time zone is correct. In most cases, you can keep the default time zone. For the meeting ID option, keep Generate automatically selected. Zoom will create a unique meeting ID for your scheduled meeting. Keep the passcode enabled for better security. If your computer does not have a camera, keep host video turned off. You can also keep participant video turned off if you want everyone to join without video. Now click the Save button. Your Zoom meeting has now been scheduled successfully. Next, open the Meetings tab and select the scheduled meeting. Here you will see the meeting details, including the meeting link and invitation information. Click Copy Invitation or Copy Invite link. The meeting invitation is now copied to your clipboard. You can send this invitation through WhatsApp, Gmail, Messenger, or any other app. Anyone who receives the meeting link can join the meeting at the scheduled date and time. Scheduling a Zoom meeting is useful for online classes, business meetings, interviews, and team discussions because participants receive the meeting details in advance. That's how you can schedule a Zoom meeting in Zoom Workplace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.